We are going to review Domain Ninja. Domain Ninja is basically a website which help you to find expired domain which rank on Google on easily basis because they have a backlink and brand authority so that they are a million of traffic already which help you to rank on a Google fast and secure. So this Domain Ninja platform help you to find out the expired domain which having a good traffic and good backlinks. Brand new AI lets you ethically start hijacking free traffic from YouTube, Wiki, Quora, Reddit, and more by finding the best expired domain with the 1 lakh backlinks. So basically, they help you to find out the expired domain which already have a good authority on the internet, and as soon as you publish content on those expired website, they will rank easily on Google. This platform help you to find out the expired domain which with good backlink and good traffic, and without any worry about this domain is ban in the eyes of the Google. So new blogger or affiliate marketer or content creator, they don't know how to choose the expired domain. uh, this is one of the most biggest risk having choosing the this expired domain, because if you not able to choose right domain, we will not able to get any traffic, or this is a big risk because the expired domain is coming is so costly. So this platform help you to find out the best expired domain any particular niche or industry. So basically this there is a so many features they are listed over here. Work in any niche imaginable, simply enter keyword and find a killer domain. So if you have any niche, just find out the your domain by searching your niche keyword. Find and instantly find and clone any expired website on domain with all content and image files. Automatically creates post SEO friendly article and blog post regularly. Turn website visitor into paying customer. Effort, effortlessly find build website with a million of backlinks and daily free you traffic. Add unlimited custom domain and subdomain without any restriction. Build in unlimited lifetime web hosting, include 100% uptime guaranteed. Rank on Google on the first page. Built with automatic device responsive, AI driven live chat support, real time assistant. Fire all the expensive tools and services. Stay goodbye to monthly fees. Commercial license included. Create and sell as many as you like you to clients. Newbie friendly as you can use for easy to use dashboard. Iron Cloud 30-day money back guarantee. So this is one of these good platform. Just go and find out and enter your domain, enter just buy the domain name and publish and make profit and start getting traffic from those particular domain. Expert domain rank on Google on highly basis. Go and create find a domain, create or clone, create a new website or clone that particular website which is having a good authority and rank on the first Google. Just post your daily basis your content, and your content will going to the rank on the Google easily basis. With there is a comparison table without domain ninja with domain ninja. So with domain ninja, find expired domain, expand age domain with the over 1 lakh strong backlink. Instantly find clone any expired website on domain with its content, image and file. You can clone or copy your those website all the files and all the content. Automatically create post SEO regularly. There is so many features listed over here. This is one of the good platform which help freelancer, content creator or small business owner to rank their website easily basis on the internet as as soon as possible. And they also offering 30-day money back guarantee. If you have any query, you can simply ask them for within 30 days for the refund. They will refund you. So it